Hi, we are back today with another fun appetizer for you. Today is a nice little veggie appetizer and it only has 4 ingredients. We have got some seedless cucumbers. Make sure at the store you definitely get the seedless ones. Those will be a little bit better for this recipe. And I have 8 ounces of goat cheese. I also have some sun-dried tomatoes and a little fresh thyme. So we are going to get started now. So all you basically need are a couple seedless cucumbers, and I'm just going to chop off the ends here. And then what I am going to do is I have a vegetable peeler here, and this is really just to make it look pretty. I'm going to basically peel down the end. We're going to go lengthwise, but I'm not going to do it all the way. I'm going to skip a little section, and then I'm going to go again. And what I'm doing is creating a little bit of a striped effect. So just going to go around like that. It's really easy. All the way around. I'll just do a little thin one right here. Yeah. Little thin one right there. And I think I'm going to finish with that one, and then I'll do the same with the other. And then after we're done, I am going to basically just take my knife again, and I'm going to cut it into slices, and you want to do it so that it's a nice thick slice so that it can hold what we're putting on top. They're going to be like little boats, and then we will put it on our platter. It'll look really pretty. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and share with your friends and family. I've been posting lots of different recipe tutorials on here for you. And if you like this one, make sure you give me a like. Even comment in the comments below. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Alright, so do you see what I have here? Nice striped effect. And then I'm just going to go through and cut all of my slices. And just to save some time, I'm going to just put it together on the cutting board. And we're looking for maybe about 1 inch thickness. So that's a good one. So today I'm going to be piping on our goat cheese. That actually makes it look a little prettier. I'm going to basically pipe it right on top of here. So I have a piping bag, and then I have a nice star tip that I'm going to be using. And that's just a little bit of an extra pretty effect that I like to do. You can certainly use just a knife and spread it on if you don't have a piping bag. If you haven't had a chance to check out my website, if you're in the South Florida area, I have a baking business, so I have a lot of fun cakes on there that you can order for your next party. And so that's why I always have piping bags in the house. So I've gotten all my little cucumber boats created here. And I'm going to just lay them all out. So I'm done with slicing my cucumbers into these little boats, and I have put my goat cheese in a piping bag. You can most certainly just spread it on with a knife, but I like to sometimes put it in a piping bag because then it usually comes out a little bit prettier. And then basically what you have is just a little dollop here of the goat cheese. And then my next step is to put a little bit of sun-dried tomato on top. And then we will top it off at the end with a sprig of thyme. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through all of these and continue. So as you can see, it came together really fast, huh? Just 4 little ingredients, and they look really pretty on the plate, and it's a nice little veggie appetizer that you can add to your dishes when you're putting them out for a get-together. So make sure you drop me a comment below and let me know how you like this one. I'm going to have a little taste of one. Pretty good. I love the creaminess of the cheese. And then you have that freshness from, you got the fresh thyme, you got the nice sun-dried tomato on there, as well as the cucumber, which is nice and juicy. So take care. I'll see you next time.